Dan is the king of high-ticket sales, and he is a masterful entrepreneur.
That's what I love about Dan, no BS.
Dan is an exceptional leader, teacher, business mentor, and friend.
Dan's a force of nature.
$12 million in my pocket is what I believe I would have above and beyond what I've made in the last 10 years alone, had I found Dan Lok sooner.
Here's another good question I got. How can I sell my high-ticket coaching and consulting over the phone? Now, that's a very, very tough question. Years ago, I asked my Sifu, Ted Wong. I'm a huge Bruce Lee fan, and Sifu Ted Wong is one of Bruce Lee's original students, and before he passed away. And I asked him, how does one become Bruce Lee? He looked at me and smiled and said, put in Bruce Lee hours. That means with practice. I always thought that was very simple but very profound. So to sell high-ticket consulting or coaching over the phone, the first thing that you need is a high-ticket offer. When I say a high-ticket offer, it's not just any offer, but an offer that is irresistible, an offer that's compelling, an offer that's backed by research, an offer that you know is what your avatar, your clients want, that solves a major problem in life or in business for them. I'll say this again. If you want to charge high ticket, what you offer has to solve a major problem in their lives. It cannot be a small little thing because then people won't pay you high ticket for it. When you have a high ticket offer, then you need three other things. The first thing that you need is a system for closing. Now notice I didn't say a script. Nothing wrong with a script. Now I don't believe in using a script when it comes to closing a high ticket offer over the phone. The reason is, how could you go into a chess game with a predetermined plan, right? What moves that you're gonna make is determined by what moves your prospects make. What are they gonna say? So it's not a script. Now, in the beginning when you're learning the system, nothing wrong with the script. Memorize it, get used to it, get comfortable with it. That's good. But once you get better, it is a system, it is not a script. A system meaning before you get on the phone, you know what you are going to say. You know what they are going to say. And you know what they could say, and you know what to do to handle those objections, and you know how to make those transitions, you know how to ask questions, and you know how to make the offers, and you know how to close. Nothing surprises you. That's what a system does. It's not luck, it's not gimmick. And when I say a system, I mean a system that works. $34.2 billion. Why is this number so significant? We've had over 10,000 experts and professionals have gone through our high-ticket closer certification program from 151 countries. 34.2 billion, not million, billions are the revenue, sales they're able to close utilizing our high-ticket methodologies. Well, you might be thinking, well, Dan, how do you know 34.2 billion? Because we have an award system in place. In order to win those awards, they have to submit documented proof that they have closed those sales in order to qualify for the awards. We add all those up accumulatively. They've closed $34.2 billion in sales. By the way, that is from different industries. We have clients and mentees selling private jets, selling coaching programs, selling done-for-you services, selling events, selling yacht, selling properties, selling luxury properties, selling financial services, selling mortgages. It works across different sectors. It just works. So you need some sort of system. Could be my system, could be anybody's system, but you need some sort of system. Number two is you need a role play. I say a role play a day keeps poverty away. You want to role play because you don't want to be trying to figure it out and wing it when you're on the phone with a real client. You want to practice and wing it in the dojo, right? With other people that you're practicing with, which is the community that we have. You role play with them again and again and again and again. And number three, desensitization. When you role play enough, you want to desensitize so that when you pick up the phone, you're not nervous. You don't stutter, you don't stumble, you know what to say, you know what they're going to say. You want to make it as natural as like brushing your teeth when you're closing high ticket on the phone. You don't even think about it. It's like breathing. That's what you want. So you need some sort of system. You need to role play a lot, right? A role play that keeps poverty away, and you want to desensitize so that you get rid of the anxiety, the nervousness when you're on the phone with somebody. And that's how you sell high-ticket consulting and coaching over the phone. If you want to learn more about our high-ticket certification programs, contact our office, 833-432-6565. Again, 833-432-6565. If you just want to see our process, you want to take an inside look, or if you just want to spy on us, either way, call us, 833-432-6565. Until then, go high ticket.